The Wanderoo Pearl is available in different package options. Each option will give you a different level of features. But one of the main differences between the different package options is the framing material and how the Caravan's built. Now these package options are called bronze. You can also get an upgraded bronze package. And then you've got silver or silver plus, which is the van we're in now. And the top of the line Wanderoo package is the gold. So let me show you what you get with the bronze package. So this is your standard bronze grade Caravan frame. That's Meranti timber. You have the polystyrene foam insulation, and on the inside you can see here it's a 3mm ply finished in laminate. But if you choose to upgrade your bronze package, that will give your Caravan one-piece ply walls, 18mm thick. Now this is known to be a super strong way to frame up a Caravan. Just like with the other one, we have the polystyrene insulation, and on the inside of the Caravan, again, it's laminated 3mm ply. The next step up from bronze is silver. Now that will give you a 20mm aluminium frame, polystyrene insulation, and on the inside again you have laminated 3mm ply. I mean, this feels really, really strong. Now the frame for the Silver Plus Caravan that we're in right now is actually 25mm aluminium. The inside skin is again 3mm laminated ply, but the insulation has been significantly upgraded. Here we have an XPS foam. This is the sort of foam that they would use for fiberglass sandwich panels. Now this is a closed cell structural foam. It offers excellent thermal efficiency. It deadens the sound really, really well. So if it's in the budget, this is definitely worth the upgrade. Now finally, what do you get with the gold package? Again, it's 25mm aluminium. It's XPS foam, just like with the Silver Plus. The main difference, however, is on the inside. This is a skin of fiberglass instead of ply. And of course that offers excellent scratch resistance, and it's all one piece as well.